Hi, welcome back everyone. Today I am going to discuss an interesting topic of emphysematous pyelonephritis, the radiological classification as well as Hyong-Seng classification with a classic example. So let us see. A 80-year-old female diabetic patient presented with fever and right loin pain, and this is the topogram of CT abdomen. The main findings which we observe here are the motile lucencies in the right renal region. You can see the air lucencies in the shape of renal parenchyma, that is the renal shadow, and you can see the left renal shadow is normal, no significant abnormality in the left renal region, and you can see the few linear air lucencies in the right suprarenal region extending up to the hepatic region, and the bowel gas is non-specific and visualized bones were mildly osteopenic without any abnormal bone lesions. Coming to plain CT KUB, in view of raised creatinine, contrast study could not be performed, and the plain CT revealed enlarged right kidney with mild perinephric fat stranding and multiple air pockets within the renal parenchyma as well as in the pelvic ileal system. And in coronal reformated image, you can see linear lucencies which are extending beyond the pararenal space, extending up to the hepatic region, in the perihepatic region. Left kidney is completely normal with normal perinephric fascia. No obvious fluid collections were seen around the renal parenchyma. Coming to the classification of emphysematous pyelonephritis, it's radiological as well as Hyong-Seng classification. Radiologically, we classify it into type 1 and type 2. Type 1 is no fluid collections and it indicates a poor prognosis because more than one-third of renal parenchyma is involved. In type 2, it is a good prognosis and few fluid collections might be present and less than one-third of renal parenchyma is involved. Coming to Hyong-Seng classification, which is of a prognostic classification in emphysematous pyelonephritis, it's classified into 1, 2, 3A, 3B and class 4. Class 1 to 4, as it goes down, the mortality increases. Class 1 and 2 come under localized type of emphysematous pyelonephritis, and class 3 and 4 include under extensive type of emphysematous pyelonephritis. So coming to this Hyong-Seng classification, class 1 is the gas within the collecting system. Class 2 within the renal parenchyma without extension into perirenal space. Class 3A is extension of gas or abscess into perinephric space. Class 3B is extension of gas or abscess into the pararenal spaces. And class 4 includes bilateral emphysematous pyelonephritis or a patient with single functioning kidney with emphysematous pyelonephritis. So as the class increases, the mortality rate increases. Our case comes under class 3B of Hyong-Seng classification, and radiologically it's classified into type 1. So few points to remember in emphysematous pyelonephritis are it's more common in diabetic patients with fever and they present with fever and severe flank pain. On X-ray, we can see mottled gas lucencies in the renal regions. On ultrasound, dirty echogenic foci with ring down artifact because of the presence of air. And CT plays a major role in diagnostic as well as prognostic value. So the Hyong-Seng classification plays a major role in the prognosis of this emphysematous pyelonephritis. Thank you very much.